To these poems, the names might be changed. Maybe. I'm not banking on it. I chose the names for these poems very deliberately, so I may not ever change them. But I had to make that poem last. So for right now, for part 3, I only need 4 more poems. And then part 3 is done. For part 2, like I said, I have a whole lot to do for part 2. For part 1, I only need 3. And so far, I haven't had any inkling of what other poems I want to include for Fractured just yet. I am hoping for some inspiration eventually. But yeah, that was a roller coaster. That was an absolute roller coaster, and I was honestly fearful through the entirety of it of where I was going to go with that poem. So for this next sprint, which will be 10 minutes, this will be the last sprint of the night. I'm so glad I decided to, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I decided to live stream tonight. This may be a thing. The only thing is that I'm hoping I'm not burning myself out to live stream for tomorrow. Because like I said, that is my art live stream. But I'm thinking in my brain, like, Leona, you can work on the book cover, the potential book cover for Fractured Not Broken. Because I have an idea in mind. I've already done the artwork. All I have to do now is just, do the actual cover. And so, that may be what I do tomorrow. Can I do that for 2 hours? I'm not exactly sure. I'm not going to hold myself to that type of idea, because I don't know at what time tomorrow I'm going to live stream. My goal is to live stream on Fridays at 12, because I know for sure that's a sure way of me getting 2 hours in. But anything is possible, because like last Friday I started streaming at 9. So tomorrow, I guess it depends on what time I get up, get ready, get set up, all that stuff. And who knows, I may just also live stream tomorrow night. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, so let's get this last sprint in so that I can close us all out with me just chit-chatting with y'all and closing us out for tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. So let's switch back over. And once again, I gotta play with this doggone thingy-mabob. It's like I always just have to do something that's not even, changing anything really. It's just clicking a box that doesn't mean anything just to get this timer back on here. So let me pull up the document I want to work in, which is broken. And I'm getting ready to start the timer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And I'm finna mute myself.